Here you go, May 16, 2026. Me and my daughter drove to the city of St. Cloud, about an hour and a half northwest of the Twin City. And we stopped by called the Clemens Gardens on a documentary visit. It's beautiful, beautiful weather here. Sunny, about 77 degrees. Here we go. I'll take a picture here. We're here, Clemens Garden in St. Cloud, Minnesota. It's down the hill here. You see the river, Cross River. It's at St. Cloud State University, and that's the Mississippi River. Lots of people walk along to the river. We're in the garden. Take a look. Peacock Garden. Really? We can walk down there. Yeah, Leah said there's a peacock there. Some roses start blooming. Well documented here. It's a pretty garden here. It's a nice area. There's lots of roses here too, Leah. They start showing up. Yeah. Clemens Garden, St. Cloud, Minnesota. Some pretty flowers start growing, start blooming here. Very pretty. At the gate, some flower there. Yeah, pretty flowers. There's a guy fishing wear chair. Some flowers. There you go. They're pretty here. There's a little recreation center or community center bathroom here on the right side. There's a sculpture of water fountains, but no water today. May 16, 2026. Yeah, they didn't. The water, no water here. That's very pretty under the sun. There you go. The Renaissance fountain with vineyard, dedicated in 1999. The Renaissance fountain is a centerpiece of the Clemens Garden. Superstructure, cast iron with applied brown figure. Yeah, looking like that's an ice cream shop at the end. It's kind of cute. People sit down there and have ice cream here. Yeah, this is really pretty on the boulevard. I don't know which kind of flower. It's just gorgeous. Yeah, really, really pretty. Pretty cool. Somebody ride a motorcycle to loud music. It's pretty though here. Yeah, let's go down there now. Take a look. This is a beautiful garden here. Really nice. Lovely. Around it. Ready? Yeah, well, take a look at this. So, me and my daughter here, St. Cloud, Clemens Garden. On the around to the right side of the little garden. Very, very beautiful flowers all around it. Beautiful little statue there. So let's take a selfie here. Beautiful. Yeah, this was a long-winged peacock here. Must see really well. Too many net. Where's another place where we don't have that much? Oh, here it's closer. This one. Come over. Peacock. Come on. Oh, that one's a fly. Ooh, that's beautiful. Those ones fly on the top. Oh, this one, they got scared somewhat. Oh, beautiful peacock here. Oh, this one's the most beautiful. Long wing. Beautiful peacock. Yeah, I remember last time I see peacock, probably in Taiwan. Here you had time. In Taichung on the lake. Yeah, we walk down the river, take a look at the peacock, and then we see this along the river, little garden, also beautiful here. Almost like a nature center here. So beautiful. All with the area. Lots of flowers open here. Really boom. Tree is also pretty. Again, this is May 16, 2026. Me and my daughter just drove an hour and a half northwest of a city called St. Cloud, city of St. Cloud, Minnesota. Did a documentary. It's like Clemens Park. Beautiful, the woods area. Let's just to walk down the river. What a beautiful red, some kind of fruit tree here. Oh, flowers. Beautiful, gorgeous. Along the river. It's just beautiful. Little lock home there. Wow, really pretty. Yeah, it's tiny little log home. It's beautiful. In the state of Minnesota, northern Minnesota, have tons of those log homes. Those ones very delicate, beautiful. In a little wood, little chimney, two little chair in the balcony, a back out, and there's a pine tree. This is a beautiful area, woods area. Now we walk down the river here, Mississippi River. It's up the shore there. You can see it, part of a campus, University State, St. Cloud State University up there. It's a little bridge, beautiful shoreline. There's a bridge. Beautiful. Okay. Along the river here. And we found a beautiful swing chair. Me and my daughter swing here. Rock here, yeah, hello. Beautiful here. Yeah. Enjoying an early afternoon in St. Cloud, Minnesota. May 16, 2026. Beautiful. You know how much a beautiful flowers behind us. So I looked up this video camera. Me and my daughter will take a beautiful shot here. Yeah, how beautiful. Beautiful old flower behind us. Yeehaw! Right. Yeah. Oh, beautiful shaking there. Oh, come on, BMW. Turn around, you're Mercedes. Come on, Mercedes. Oh, here. Now turning. Oh, beautiful. We're waiting for this moment for so long. Oh, we got it.
All right.
Got it. All right, we see a beautiful bird. Take a look at that. Beautiful. Finally, we see it. Oh, just gorgeous. Oh, beautiful bird. I don't know your name, but your thank you. Beautiful. Ah, beautiful. Wow, it's gorgeous. Deer festival.
That's where you will hear them call amidst their shrieks.
Wow.
Because they're wild and they're just hanging out there.